Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare FieldEdge and ServiceTitan. Both of these platforms are designed to help home service companies streamline their operations, but they approach field service management in different ways and cater to varying business sizes and needs. In this video, I'll compare their overall platforms, user interfaces, core features, pricing, support options and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which platform might be the right choice for your business. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with FieldEdge. FieldEdge is a platform made for businesses in the home service industry, like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and other trades. Its main goal is to help these businesses manage their scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management all in one place. It's a favorite among small to mid-sized companies because it's easy to use but still packed with features. FieldEdge focuses on real-time communication and mobile access, so technicians can update job statuses, collect customer signatures, and even take payments while out in the field. With tools like automated scheduling, customizable workflows, and detailed reports, FieldEdge helps businesses run more smoothly and keeps customers happy. Now, let's talk about ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is a powerful platform built for bigger home service companies or businesses with multiple locations. It's designed for companies that need more than just basic scheduling and dispatching. ServiceTitan has advanced features like marketing tools, customer relationship management, and detailed analytics to help businesses grow and make smarter decisions. It's ideal for larger companies in industries like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, where there are lots of moving parts and a need for scalability. Yes, it takes a bigger investment up front and takes some time to get used to, but the advanced tools like integrations with financial systems make it a great choice for companies that want better control over their operations and deeper insights into their performance. Now, let's take a look at how FieldEdge and ServiceTitan compare when it comes to user experience. FieldEdge keeps things simple and easy to use. When you log in, you'll see a clean dashboard. It's straightforward and designed so people who aren't very tech savvy can find their way around. Tasks like scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing are easy to handle with clear menus, simple icons, and real-time updates. On the other hand, ServiceTitan offers a more advanced and visually exciting interface. Its dashboard is full of colourful charts and graphs that give you a real-time look at your business's performance. The user interface has more options than FieldEdge, so it takes a little time to get used to when you first start using it. However, once you get the hang of it, ServiceTitan offers more customization and control over your data and workflows. Next up, let's take a closer look at the features of both platforms. FieldEdge is built to handle all the basics of field service management, with a big focus on scheduling and dispatching. One of its top features is its super simple job scheduling tool. You can quickly assign jobs to technicians based on who's available and where they are, cutting down on travel time and boosting productivity. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. FieldEdge also does a great job with customer management. It has a built-in CRM that keeps track of customer info, service history, and even sends follow-up reminders. Plus, invoicing and payments are easy. As soon as a job is done, you can send out invoices and take payments right away. On top of that, FieldEdge has handy reporting tools to show how your team is performing, how long jobs are taking, and how your business is running overall. These insights can really help you figure out what's working and what needs improving. On the other hand, ServiceTitan is designed for bigger, multi-location service companies that need to handle more complex operations. Its scheduling and dispatch system is super advanced. It doesn't just assign jobs based on who's available, but also uses route optimization and real-time tracking. This means technicians can get to jobs faster and save travel time, which is great for companies spread out over large areas. On top of that, ServiceTitan has a built-in CRM that's more than just a customer database. It includes marketing tools, detailed customer profiles, and even follow-up scheduling to keep things running smoothly. One of its standout features is the reporting and analytics suite. It gives you deep insights into things like revenue trends, how productive your technicians are, job profitability, and customer satisfaction. Plus, ServiceTitan integrates with accounting software, ERP systems, and payment processors, so your data flows seamlessly across your business. Automation and workflow customization are super important to think about. FieldEdge has some great automation features like automatically updating job statuses, sending notifications, and scheduling follow-ups. But here's the thing, FieldEdge's automation works well for basic tasks, but it might not be enough for bigger companies with more complicated workflows. That's where ServiceTitan steps up. It offers a powerful automation engine that's super customizable. You can set up triggers to do things like automatically assign jobs, create invoices, or alert managers when something specific happens. Now let's compare the pricing. FieldEdge has 3 plans to fit businesses at different growth stages: Select, Premier, and Elite. The Select plan gives you the basic tools you need to run your business. It includes features like dispatching, booking and scheduling, basic agreements and quotes, customer management, and price book with flat rate pricing. If you're ready to grow, the Premier plan builds on the basics and adds more advanced tools. You'll get features like advanced dispatching, multi-option quotes, upgraded service agreements, 10 saved reports, and extra mobile app licenses. For those aiming big, the Elite plan is all about scaling fast. It comes with unlimited saved reports, outbound call recording, Proposal Pro, Marketing Edge with two-way texting, warehouse inventory management, a consumer portal, and access to Field Services Academy. For pricing, you'll need to reach out to the FieldEdge sales team directly for a quote. ServiceTitan also has a tiered pricing system with 3 packages: Starter, Essentials, and The Works. The Starter package gives you the basics to manage your business, like dispatching, scheduling, invoicing, call booking, price book, mobile estimates, commission tracking, advanced reporting, payroll, and customizable memberships. Next up is the Essentials package, which builds on Starter by adding more advanced tools to help streamline operations, like enhanced payroll management. Then there's The Works, which gives you everything ServiceTitan has to offer. It adds configurable payroll to all the features included in Essentials. But here's the thing: ServiceTitan, like FieldEdge, doesn't list its pricing online. You'll need to reach out to them for a custom quote to see how much each package costs. When choosing a platform, customer support is super important. So let's take a look at the support for both platforms. FieldEdge has a helpful support system that's easy to use. They've got a detailed help center packed with articles, video tutorials, and guides to walk you through everything from setup to advanced features. You can contact their team by email or phone, and many users love how quick and clear their responses are. Plus, they offer live chat during business hours, which is great if you need fast answers during a busy day. This makes it a good choice for small businesses that may not have IT experts to rely on. On the other hand, ServiceTitan focuses on helping larger businesses with more complex needs. They often assign dedicated account managers who provide tailored help and ongoing support based on your specific business goals. There's also an online resource center with how-to guides, videos, webinars, and community forums where users share tips. Like FieldEdge, ServiceTitan offers multiple ways to get support, including email, live chat, and phone. They go the extra mile with proactive support, like regular check-ins and updates, which can be a lifesaver when your business depends on this platform for major decisions. So, which platform should you pick? Well, it really depends on your business size and how complex your operations are. If you run a small to mid-sized service company and want something simple, affordable, and easy to use for things like scheduling, invoicing, and talking to customers, FieldEdge might be your best choice. But if you're part of a bigger company with multiple locations and need advanced automation, detailed reports, and solid integrations to handle more complex workflows, ServiceTitan is probably the way to go. In the end, it's all about what fits your business size, needs, and budgets. Choose the one that can grow with your business and support your goals. That's it for today's comparison. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between FieldEdge and ServiceTitan and given you a clear picture of which platform might be the best fit for your business needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with these platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.